Hello and welcome to the Scrum.org PSPO1 Certification Preparation course. The Professional Scrum Product Owner PSPO1 certification is an entry-level certification offered by Scrum.org. Achieving this certification demonstrates your fundamental understanding of the Scrum framework and the role of a product owner. As a product owner pursuing the PSPO1 certification, you play a critical role in driving organizational success in today's dynamic and competitive landscape. By aligning the Scrum team's efforts with broader strategic objectives, you ensure efficient prioritization, maximize value delivery, and support informed decision-making. By earning this certification, you will take on a pivotal role in collaborating with stakeholders, shaping the product strategy, and transforming the organization's vision into tangible, impactful outcomes. The PSPO1 certification is designed for individuals who want to deepen their understanding of the Scrum framework and the role of a product owner. It is particularly suitable for product owners, Scrum Masters, and the development team. The PSPO1 course does not have formal prerequisites, making it accessible to individuals with varying levels of experience. However, some prior knowledge and preparation can enhance the learning experience and improve the likelihood of successfully passing the certification exam. A basic understanding of the following concepts is beneficial: Scrum principles, agile environments. This preparation course consists of 2 modules, each requiring approximately 1 to 2 hours per module of focused effort, allowing you to complete the course efficiently. Module 1 prepares you by providing eligibility requirements, the sign-up process, exam-taking strategies, key study references, and a list of other certifications for product owner. It also takes you through the 5 key focus areas of the PSPO1 certification. The module ends with a practice test. The second module provides you with access to an exhaustive graded mock exam designed to mimic the real exam that gives you excellent preparation for the certification exam. To reinforce your learning, this course includes practical tools such as a PSPO1 preparation cheat sheet and a glossary of Scrum terms and acronyms. You'll have access to a comprehensive practice regimen, including a 20-question ungraded quiz and 2 80-question-graded mock exams that simulate the actual PSPO1 certification experience. To get the most from this course, make sure you watch every video, go through the readings, check your understanding of concepts by taking the practice quiz, and assess your preparedness with the graded and timed mock exam. Thank you for being a part of this course. We are thrilled to have you join us on this learning journey.